Hey everyone, welcome back. Just got done messing with another car. Figured I'd work on this a little bit. It's new to me. I got it used. It was a brushed Typhon, but it was upgraded with a Arrma 130 amp ESC with a 2200 kV motor. Looks like it's a 10th scale motor, 10th scale setup. Not bad. It just doesn't seem like it's going as fast as it should, really. I mean, it can run 3S, 4S right now, and it just seems slow for 4S. Like, I have 4S in my Traxxas Slash with a similar setup, and it's crazy fast. And so I'm not sure what's going on. He gave me this as well. It's a metal, upgraded motor mount and stuff. So I'm gonna work on maybe trying to put that in, check out all the bearings and look into stuff, see if I see anything that's odd or out of place. Check the gearing. Maybe I need to change the gearing up and it'll change and make it faster. We're gonna dig into it because, basically it's similar to the Vendetta, and the Vendetta out of the box says it'll do 70. There ain't no way this thing's doing 70. It's maybe doing like 40s. And for 4S, like, come on, that's something ain't right. So I'm gonna dig into it and go from there. Pretty cool. This thing's kind of just comes apart pretty easily. So we're gonna I'm gonna pull on the drive shaft, and from the front, and I guess a little bit of both. It's hard to do this on the camera, but we're gonna go from the front. So you pull it all the way back, and you can slip it right out of there. There we go. The fingers are in the way, but I thought I knew what I was doing. I guess you gotta do it from the back. There we go. So, well, that sucks. That's broken. Okay. Well, it is what it is on that. This broke off, but I can get that. It's sure it's cheap. But that's out of the way. Now we should be able to just pull on this and the whole motor will come out, my understanding. I don't think there's no screws down here. If so, no, that's for this. Well, that's an issue too. The motor's not tight, so the gear mesh isn't going to be good. I don't know what this is talking about here. Pull. It should not be this hard to come out of here. Alright, I took the screw out of the bottom. It holds this in. I took my screwdriver and gently pried on that, and it slides out sideways. Get that out of the way. Now I think we're just gonna gently pry this motor out of here. Of course, this ESC is in the way, so now I'm going to take that off. Alright. probably address that as well. So the ESC out, there we go. Now we can just, boom, there's our motor module. So I definitely need to clean this thing. Maybe open the diffs and check the bearings and stuff. But there it is. There's our motor module. I think there's definitely something going on in here. I'm gonna get it opened up. And there we go. But anyways, I'm gonna look into some new bearings and get this new case put on tomorrow when I get home. But for now, I'm gonna call it. All right, well, I'm back out here. I've been taking apart this Typhon. You know, originally it was a brushed, and I bought it converted to brushless with this Spectrum 2200 kV. It's a 10th scale setup, so it really wasn't doing that good like I was talking about before. So before I go putting all this new stuff, I'm gonna clean it all up real good. But I have here my Slash 4x4. Now in that I have an 8th scale motor with the same ESC. So I think I'm just gonna take that motor out of there and put it in this Typhon and see if we can get some more speed out of it, because I just don't think that this motor's gonna be able to keep up. Also, it gets real hot, so we're gonna just change it all up and see what we can do. I'm gonna get this cleaned up, take it outside, hose it off, get my electronics out of it first, obviously, but rinse it real good, check my bearings. And then I'm gonna work on getting this motor taken out. I think I'm just gonna leave. I don't know whether to use my ESC or use the new ESC that's already in it. I'm not sure. I might just take this out completely and then see how it does. All right, here we go, guys. Just got it all cleaned up. I use a simple green foaming cleaner. Works pretty good, and hose it off usually and blast it, dry it out with my air compressor. Right now I just got done moving, so my air compressor is blocked up, so I just took my blower and a canned air and dried it off the best I could. I'm gonna be taking it apart anyways, so I'm not that worried about it. But usually I do that, wash it with the simple green, hose it off, and then blow it dry. And once it's dry, WD-40 any bearings, screws, anything that needs keep from rusting. So yeah, here's where we're at. Like I say, I'm gonna put that 8 scale motor. I just want to check my diffs. So since I got it torn apart, I'm gonna be changing things up. So I'm gonna unscrew these and just get in here to the diffs right now. I got that all back together now. Everything seemed good. I'm not gonna worry about it. Next I'm gonna work on getting the motor and everything put together here. That's just gonna fit right in here. Got my slipper clutch tightened all the way down because I don't even want to use it. I need to get a slipper clutch delete kit. Would probably be best bet. So there's that. The cool thing about this versus this is that on this one, in order to get that pinion gear on there, the big pinion gear like I have here, you got to put the set screw to the inside. Well, this plate allows you to undo that one screw right there, and you can take this off, tighten down your pinion, and then put it back on, so that way you can actually get it tight. And plus it's more heavy duty, it won't flex like the plastic one will. So that's what's in it right now. It's just flexible, and it probably ain't gonna handle that much torque. I'm gonna keep it the same. We're gonna run a 20. That'd be a 20, I don't know what this is. So it's gonna be a 2050. Seems pretty good. Okay, now it's gonna get my pinion on. Alright, so we got that lined up good. Now I'm going to pop this off. We can tighten this down. First I'm going to get it out, put a Loctite on it. There we go. Crank it down tight, and should be good to go now. I'm gonna put that back on and set our gear mesh. Alright, I'm ready to put it in the car. Gotta hunt down this bearing I lost. And we've set it in place. There we go. I gotta see if it fits in the car. Boom, motor's in. Easy as that. Awesome. Well, that sucks. It's not gonna fit in there anymore. ESC. How it's gonna get moved right here on top of the oh, that's perfect. So will that fit under the body? That's the question. I'll have to mount it and see. I think all I got left is put this drive shaft in and power her up and see how it works. There we go. Alright, well, I like that. So it's already getting late, so I'm gonna get the wheels put back on it, and tomorrow I'll take it out in the yard and see how it is. Still seems slow. But who knows? We'll try it on 4S tomorrow. Okay, so got our Typhon out here. I'm running at 4S right now. Got the new motor, cleaned it all up, put some grease in the diffs, and we're gonna see how it does. Hopefully it's faster than it was before. Oh! Awesome. I will say that I'm happy with this. I think that's a ripper. Just need to get that cooling, get it to cool down a little bit. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get out to a skate park or something soon and bash these things. See you next time.